To today's video. This is an A2 level vocabulary lesson, and today we're going to be talking about containers and quantities. So can you describe the pictures? So in picture A, we have a jug of juice. Picture B would be a carton of milk. Picture C would be a bag of vegetables. Picture D is a bowl of cereal. Picture E is a can of soda. Picture F is a tube of toothpaste. Picture G are 2 bars of candy. And picture H is a jar of jam. How would you describe this picture? Well, you might say a bowl of rice. A bowl of rice. And can you describe this picture? Be a bag of oranges. What about these pictures? So again, we have a jug of juice, a carton of milk, a bag of garbage, and a bowl of pasta. So we usually use the container and then the preposition of and then whatever it is. So a box of chocolates, a carton of eggs, a tube of toothpaste or paint, a bag of chips or potatoes, a bowl of cereal or pasta, a cup or a glass of milk, water, juice, or tea, and a jug of orange juice. You can also have a packet of rice, nuts, beans, or bread, and a tin or a can of vegetables, tuna, or cola. These are some other quantities. A handful of coffee beans, a bunch of grapes or keys, a pile or a stack of papers or books, a dozen eggs or buns, a couple of friends or days, a pair of socks or trousers, a spoonful of sugar or mustard, a pinch of chili or salt, and a kilo of bananas. A bouquet of flowers, a loaf of bread, a piece of paper or pizza, and a slice of pizza, cake, or meat. All right, so what about these pictures? So a box of cookies, a bouquet of flowers, a carton of eggs, and a bag of chips or crisps. And now match the quantities to the correct food item. So we'd have a loaf of bread, a bottle or a glass of milk, and a box or a packet of cereal. Picture A is a handful of paper clips, a piece of paper, and a slice of pizza. Okay. So grains or a pile of rice, a bottle of water, and a bar of chocolate. Have a bag of apples, a box of candy, and a can of olives. All right, again, you'll match the pictures with the containers and the quantity. So a carton of eggs, a bunch of garlic, a bottle of wine, a tube of toothpaste, a can of olives, and a bag of potatoes. Here are a few more. A box of chocolate, a bottle of water. I'm not really sure what is in this. It would be a canister of something. I don't really know what that is. Maybe flour? I don't know. Grains of rice, and a stack of paper. All right, and see if you can identify each of these. To tell us the answer. So this would be a bag of popcorn, a bag of potatoes, a bag of, it looks like brown rice or grain, a cup of water, a glass of water, a slice of cake or a piece of cake. I'm going to try these. A box of matches, a can of Coke, a bowl of fruit. This is a bag. I'm not really sure what's in the bag. A bag of something. A pair of socks, and a can of cocoa. Now match the words on the left with those on the right. So bar goes with chocolate. Bowl could go with fruit, a bowl of fruit. A carton of milk. A can of cola. A bouquet of flowers. And a box of matches. All right, now you will complete the sentences, filling in the gaps with the words from the boxes. The first one is already done. She received a big bouquet of flowers from her husband on their anniversary. Go ahead and try the others and then restart the video when you're ready to check your answers. So he bought 2 jars of jam for their breakfast. I carried 3 bags of groceries all the way home because I did not have my car. I will purchase a tin of coffee because we have run out. Please put the bowl of sugar on the table to go with the coffee. We need a new tube of toothpaste. We are all out. The teacher told us to take out a new piece of paper, and the jug of water is empty. Can you fill it up in the kitchen? He received a box of chocolates from his wife for his birthday. The boy was allowed to pick out 1 bar of chocolate at the grocery store every Sunday. Please give me the box of matches. You know I don't like you playing with fire. I need a handful of nuts for this recipe. That brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share. If you have any questions, leave those for me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.